Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how can we analyze data as a part of Module 3 exercise. Okay. I got this example from one of a group of your your classmates. Okay. And you can see the timestamp. This one is actually collected by the system. Second one is this group asking people to put their student ID and their name. I would say that these two are actually not how to say that, it's not that important for analyzing data, and these two kind of data is more private, so you should not ask these two questions. Okay, you should not ask these two questions. You should start asking if you need some basic information, like you ask the gender. You can ask the gender. You can ask the major of study. Okay, if you think these two dimensions are important for you, for example, you want to see that different gender, they may have different how to say that, habits of eating, appetites, or you may say that different major of study, they may have different appetites or eating habits. Okay, so you may ask this is maybe gender, and this is the, how you say that, major of study, that kind of thing. But you should not ask name and major, or name and ID, things like that. No, it's too private. Okay, let's say the first question you asked, what kind of taste do you like to eat? Okay, and you seems like there are choices that the audience or the participants can choose. Okay, this kind of thing we can analyze by using frequency analysis. I did over here, you can see that. And first I list all possible choices that they chose, and I got 4 choices. How can I list this out? I use this unique, you can see that unique formula. This one will list all possible unique values from this column. Okay, and then it lists out. And then after getting these unique values, I start counting using count if. Okay, count if, you can see that, count if. Okay, and then I can see that people like to eat sour taste 3%, salty 2%, sweet 5%, and majority spicy 11%. Okay, and then I can calculate the percentage. This calculate the percentage. So I actually take this one divided by total, and then multiply by 100, that one. Okay, and you also can find what is the maximum. Then find that 11 is maximum, minimum is 2, and this one, and average is 5.25. Okay, so you can see that from the percentage, you can see that spicy is like more than average, you see that spicy 11% is much more than the average. Average is above this sweet, okay, so that way. And then you can highlight this, no, this, and then you can create this graph. And now I'm going to try to analyze this this data, how much, okay, how much this one. So I try to make it here. It's from F2 to F12, 22. Okay, so I say that, okay, values, numbers, let's say matrix, and amount, and percentage. Okay, so matrix, we have this matrix. Okay, I'm going to extract it from here. So I make it bold here, and then I say that equal to unique, this one, and then is f2 to f22. Okay, that one. I enter. So it's actually only two values which are unique. So I can count now. Equal to count if start by define the range. So it's again the same, f2 to f22. No, sorry. And the value that they're going to compare is this one. Then you can see that 14 are falling into this first category. Now I'm going to drag it like this down here. Okay, but that's not that easy because you can see that the range changed as well. You can see that. You can see the range over here. Okay, when I click. So when I make it here, it's changed to F3 and F23. I don't want that to happen. So I can fix that out by using string. So to indicate that you don't change this when I drag it. Now I do it again. Okay, I repeat. I point at this small rectangle over here, and I drag it, and the same amount 7. But you can see that over here the range is different. Now it's F2 to F22. This is the correct one. Okay, so now I got the correct range, and now I'm going to calculate the percentage. First, I have to find the total first. Total equal to sum of these two. Enter, and the percentage. I think there are many ways to calculate the percentage, but this is what I usually do. I make this multiply by total and divide by total and multiply 100. Okay, again here I want it to not change the total one, so I put the string over there, so it's not going to change when I drag it. And now I want only 2 digits. So I reduce this. Okay, now I can drag it down. Okay, even more. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, and now I'm going to make a chart of this. Yeah, I can make a chart like that. Only two lines because we have those. And then you can insert and chart. Now you can see that. You can make it smaller. That way. Okay, and you can change this as well. Food price, for example. Okay, so you got this kind of chart along with this kind of matrix. Okay, along with this kind of matrix. Okay, you also can find max, min, average if you want to find them over here. Okay, for example, you want to find max over here, this range. No, only 2. And then min, no, sorry, equal to min, and these 2. Enter. Equal to average, and these 2. Enter. Or you want to have standard deviation, so you can have like equal to std, this one, and these 2 range. You can reduce digit again into only 2 digits. We usually use 2 digits. Okay, so this way you can analyze the frequency. Okay, so you can see that the majority, more than half, they spend 40 to 50 baht a meal, and some they spend over that, so 60 to 70 baht a meal. Okay, Okay, so there are like questions like who you usually eat with. Okay, so friends and family, alone. Okay, so you can extract this and count them and then making a chart of them. Okay, so that way we can do it.